Okay.
Ready? Okay, so let's go to our Chinese lesson part today. Chinese language, I always want to say that every Chinese character, the structure of it, and the pronunciation of it, and the tones, they are all critically important. To learn Chinese language, pay attention to the tones, and pay attention to the proper pronunciation of the character, and pay special attention to the structure of each character. Then understand the deep meaning of each character. That is a very wonderful thing for every human being to do at this moment. I do believe that Chinese language right now is a treasure for every human being on the earth, because we are now ready to go to the next stage. Humanity is going to elevate, otherwise we're going to be destroyed. In the process of elevation, our Creator has given us this treasure. It is not only a privilege of the current Chinese people. Remember, this is a gift from our Creator for every human being on the earth. And our Creator very carefully prepared this mother's milk, mom's milk, for all precious lives as a human being on the earth. Because we are divine beings in human body outfits. Our divinity is now being awakened through many different ways. And learning Chinese is a very important way to be awakened, to our true original self, return to our divine self, So learning Chinese, why we are using this, in our moral classroom, I pay special attention to it. That is because this is the mother's milk for all mankind. So, Cai,
Kai,
not Kai. This is ci, I,
I,
not zi, it's ci.
ci,
Yeah, ci, I, Cai.
Thai.
The Korean pronunciation have also certain unique sound that usually Korean people always use. This pronunciation in the Korean language doesn't have a counterpart. That's why you have big difficulty in it. I understand. So it's ci, like ci. Let the air come out from your teeth. Ci. That's it. Ci. I. Cai. Let the air come out from the teeth. Cai. Not the Kai. It's cai. Yeah, cai. That's it. It's let the sound come out. Have it's like airflow. Ci. Actually, I can feel it. Ci. The air is coming out. Ci, I, cai. That's it. You got it. Yeah, cai is money. Property. Wealth. That one character all refers to these three English words. Money, property, and wealth. All in a category called cai. Okay. But bu. No, not. Bu. Ru.
S.
Like, yeah. Ren. person. Okay. People. Human. Okay. That's 人. Yeah. Okay, let's review. 慈爱才
台才
correct. 不不
不
日无如
如
日恩人
人，
才不如人才
台
不
不如
如人
台不如人。
right? You see, don't pronounce it as T-A-I, Thai, not Thai. This is a ta. There's no T's in the middle, ta. But if I say Thai, my T's is very much closed. Thai,
才
that's it. Not Thai, it's Thai. Yeah,
才
Thai.
才
才不如人
才不如人。
Correct. Okay. Money is not like people. On the surface, the translation is money is not like people. What does it mean? 不如, if you really translate properly, although on the surface not like, right? Basically, it means can't be compared. Can't be compared with. Okay. Or as good as. Not as good as. 不如 means not as good as. That's the proper translation of 不如. 不如 not as good as.
Not as good
Yeah.
as person.
Money, property and wealth is not as good as a person. Okay. 不如, for example,
As good as person.
for example, you say, 他不如你强壮. 强壮 means strong. He is not as strong as you. 他不如你强壮. The English, the Chinese way you can use that. Okay. 他不如他亮. That is not as bright as that. 不如 means not as good, you know. So 才不如人. Basically, this moral is reminding us that when we are living in the human world, we think money is more important. And we forget that human being, we are the most important. Money is secondary. Don't sell yourself for money. Don't forget yourself because of money. It's as if it's obvious truth. We all know that we are more important and money is not as important. We all know that. We just, people say, it's exactly because I know I'm important, that's why I need money. But in the process of getting money, are you selling yourself cheap? Are you placing yourself inferior than principles? So a lot of people, in order to get money, they actually totally lost themselves. For the interest of getting something accomplished. They think that, as long as I get money, I will be successful. My heart wants something. How to get that? Money. I'm gonna get money and then I will be able to get what I want, my heart wants. That's why they forcefully thinking that money is more important, than certain people. When two people come in front of you, that's Stanford's story. When a couple come to Harvard, and you look at the two people, and they look at the way that they wear their clothes, blue jeans and a sweater, look like farmers, not that wealthy. You really see that they don't have money. right?
Right.
Oh yeah, they don't have money, so we don't have time for them. You know, we don't have time for them. Ended up they have so much money that they could build another new university, now top notch, right? Stanford.
Yeah.
So the people, because they have the wrong notions about how to evaluate a relationship based upon money, they miss the true money, right? So, you know, you look at the lives every day, you ask yourself, are you following money? Are you doing everything because you want money? Or you ask yourself, are you doing this for the sake of helping others seriously? If your motivation is sincerely to help other people, to use your time, your energy to help other human beings, other fellow human beings to become better, you every day don't think about money. You're only thinking about, what can I do to help other people do better? You know, I'm one of this whole big family on the earth, and I'm here to cultivate. You know, I need to accumulate merit, and that's called a virtue. And I know only when I do good things and benefit other people, then I will accumulate merit. So every day I focus upon how to build my merit. Can I do this, do that, to make other people also be able to do better? Then I have merit. If your motivation every day is like that, guess what? Money, you will never have problem. Whenever you need money, you will have it. Because the money comes from merit, from virtue. That's a truth. A lot of human beings have no idea of. They think money comes from competing with each other for a job. They think money comes from have a good relationship with some people who are wealthy. Oh, they have a lot of money. If I become a good friend and I do some things, make that person very happy, the person is going to give me money. So therefore, I will do good things for that person. The mind is still a dollar sign. You know, the motivation of doing anything is a dollar sign. I'm going to do this because he's going to give me money. I'm going to do that because he's going to give me money. If your center thinking every day is how to benefit myself and how to first get other people's attention to give me money, then I'm going to be able to be successful. And then I'm going to be able to satisfy my desire and my lust and my ambition. Do you know what I mean? If a person lives like that, that person is destined to be destroyed. Because the root of the whole thing is a ignorance. Total ignorance, because you do not really exist in this world for something called you. There is no you, actually. That me is a fake one. The true you actually is very high level, doesn't need money. Our true self is all powerful, all true, all beautiful, and we are so magnificent because we originally were divine. Now we're in the human world, we're in human body outfit, and we are so, low ability, and everything we do have to be working hard, labor, suffer, pain and hunger and the thirst and do all those kind of things. Why? A divine being in the human body and have to go through all these sufferings? Only for one purpose. We are building up a very precious matter called virtue, merit. The very purpose of being here every day, we are actually cultivating something very beautiful. We are accumulating something so magnificently precious, but our eyes cannot see. Our bank account cannot give us a track record. But in the universe, it's recorded. Only when we are kind, we follow morality, we do good things, our merit is accumulated every day. We make people laugh. When people are suffering, we help people to see the light, see the truth. When people are making mistakes, we help them not to do go down the mistake passage and start to be able to have a new direction in their life. This is all great merit we are accumulating every day. And it is that merit that can be transformed into energy. It is that energy that can elevate us to our ultimate destination. So, you see, money, wealth, all that is only part of the manifestation of our virtue. The true wealth is a human body that is given to all of us when we come into the human world as a human being. You know, we have this incredibly magnificent human body. It is so beautiful. And it's a universe that we are already given a world. This is our most precious, gift from our Creator. With this gift, then we follow our Creator's guidance to walk on the earth every day and to follow morality every day. And our Creator has prepared an even bigger gift for us. So appreciate the inheritance of this beautiful human body and appreciate every moment we are given on the earth and wholeheartedly follow the path arranged by our Creator, step by step, to return to our original true self. That is the smartest way of living a human life.
Okay.